Obesity may be avoided if we are going to follow God's admonition in the Bible. Biblically speaking, we have to eat the food our body needs. In the book of Proverbs chapter 30 verse 8 it says, let us read.
Remove far from me falsehood and lying. Give me neither poverty nor riches. Feed me with the food that is needful for me.
If you notice, the righteous servant of God's prayer say, feed me with the food that is needful for me. Food in the proper sense of the word must be the need of the body. But in our society now, there are food which are called food, but are not food. They are poison. They are not needed by the body. Junk foods, overeating of things that are loaded with sugar, fats, especially those produced by fast food chains, are biblically speaking not food but poison. Our body does not need them. If we are to consult the Bible of the right amount of food and the right kind of food we need, we are given by God very valuable instructions. Let us first look unto Adam. In the book of Genesis chapter 3 verse 19, this is what God has to say to Adam.
In the sweat of thy face shalt thou eat bread, till thou return unto the ground. For out of it wast thou taken. For dust thou art, and unto dust shalt thou return.
The admonition is, in the sweat of thy face thou shalt eat bread. We will remember that when Adam has not yet transgressed God's law, the commandment was for him to eat freely the fruit of the trees in the garden. But when he was expelled because of his transgression, God admonished him that he must eat in the sweat of his face. Meaning, when we eat, we have to work and we have to labor for what we will eat. For the face of a man to sweat, it means a good amount of labor has taken place. Your face will not sweat until you are really exerting much effort. Eating without exerting effort is the reason for obesity. And the earth is now plagued with this kind of disease. Let us read.
From the World Health Organization, facts. Globally, there are more than 1 billion overweight adults, at least 300 million of them obese. Obesity and overweight pose a major risk for chronic diseases, including type 2 diabetes, cardiovascular disease, hypertension and stroke, and certain forms of cancer. The key causes are increased consumption of energy-dense foods high in saturated fats and sugars, and reduced physical activity.
If you have noticed, one of the causes of obesity is reduced physical activity. So when God said to Adam that in the sweat of thy face thou shalt eat bread, God is speaking of wisdom and speaking of healthy habit. We must exert effort. Our physical activities must be maintained whenever we eat. But what are we going to eat? The food needful for us or for our body. too much amount of carbohydrates and fats and sugar and salt is not for the body. Although a little salt is needed for the body, but not too much. A little sugar is needed, but not the food that we eat now, loaded with refined sugar, which is detrimental to health, which cause diabetes and cardiovascular diseases and other debilitating diseases that afflicts mankind. If we are to heed the admonition of the Bible recommends good food, the kind of food that we must consume. First, fruits, and then vegetable. Let us read in the book of Daniel chapter 1 verses 12 to 15. It says,
Test your servants for 10 days. Let us be given vegetables to eat and water to drink. Then let our appearance and the appearance of the youths who eat the king's rich food be observed by you, and according to what you see deal with your servants. So he hearkened to them in this matter, and tested them for 10 days. At the end of 10 days it was seen that they were better in appearance and fatter in flesh than all the youths who ate the king's rich food.
Here is an incident by which eating of vegetables and drinking water in 10 days is most beneficial to the human body. Those that ate the king's rich food, if you are the king, maybe you will be having a diet of meat and sweets, etc. All those luxurious foods during the time of Daniel. But the other group was given only a diet of vegetable and water to drink. No wine, but vegetable and water to drink. And they appeared at the end of 10 days. They were better in appearance and fatter in flesh than all the youths who ate the king's rich food. Therefore, the Bible tells us something very important. It depends on the food that we eat, the food that our body needs. And we must be very careful about this, biblically speaking.